Why are the toilets in the flipping bus station, in Bolton, locked behind payments? Oh, I entered the busway already. Yes. Let's see how this compares to Cambridge. Don't judge me. Good morning, my people. This is day 2 in Manchester. Okay, I was thinking of waking up earlier than this, but I was so tired that I just slept in a bit. In any event, I'm gonna get up and go eat breakfast. And just like that, we have breakfast sorted. And a really nice view. Oh, I'm gonna duck into this. Got a cappuccino as well. And then we'll decide where to go from there. I could have planned where to go, but for now, I'm gonna tuck in. Okay, so I should have done this last part, but I'm gonna give a quick summary of the hotel I stayed in. This is put me in Manchester City Centre. Okay, there's 3 of them. This is actually the one in Portland Street. If you are British, you probably have heard of Premium before, and they are a really good chain. They're not anything fancy like a Hilton or a Novotel or something like that, but genuinely, they're cozy, they do the job quite nicely, and they have nice decor as well. And they also do some pretty good food too, which can vary by the hotel you're in, which more on that in a bit. It is located on Portland Street, by the name, which is dead centre in the middle of Manchester. In terms of walking distance, similar to the other Pullman at Manchester Central, it is a 1-minute walk to St. Peter's Square Station. From St. Peter's Square Station, which is pretty much the main interchange tram stop in Manchester, as you will see later, you can take a tram towards Victoria or Piccadilly, down to you. In terms of eateries, the Pullman Inn has an onboard time restaurant, which generally makes a mixture of pub-style food, such as steak and pizza. I didn't get to experience this. How sad. If you don't want to eat at the venue like me, then they got a McDonald's and a Pret-a-Manger just across the road from you, which can easily be reached in about 30 seconds. If you don't mind a bit of walking, there is a Starbucks close to St. Peter's Square, and a butt ton of stuff that I can't be asked to mention at Piccadilly Gardens. One important thing I should mention is that this hotel has no air conditioning, and this is very clearly stated on the website before you book. So if you're travelling in the summer months, from what I've been hearing, they do give you a fan, but prepare to sweat like bacon. Or if you're smart, go to Manchester Central across the road instead. Might be more pricier, but at least you get aircon. I was staying in the winter months, so like February around that time, so genuinely it wasn't too bad. Alright, with that done, big stagecoach. Alright, that done. We're now gonna go and get some Pret-a-Manger. And then I'm gonna go towards the airport. Man, this city is nice. Come on, get. Right, with coffee done, need to go find a tram. Well, I am then going to go towards Manchester Airport. This should be fun. And long. Tram. Not where I need to go, it's going to get pretty far. We'll figure that out when I get to somewhere to interchange.
This is a service to Eastbury. The next stop will be Deansgate Castlefield.
Change it to certain words. Oh, we get on this tram for quite a bit actually. So enough, I'm going to sit down. Let's take a nice tram ride. This should be fun. Now that it's night outside, I can actually see around the area. And lots of tall buildings. And where we are, it's at Wayforth Road. So now, this tram is gonna go on its merry way. And I need to wait for a tram heading towards the airport, which is 8 minutes away. Oh, that's fine, that's fine. One tram. Thanks for the rides. Now we need the tram going towards the airport, and considering I just had to pass through a very cramped traffic bar, I have a feeling this tram is going to be very, very busy. And that's where the airport trams are very infrequent. Fun. Here we go, an airport tram after like 5 minutes of waiting, which is not that bad. It's only a single set, so it's probably going to be rammed. Okay, it's not that bad. Still get me on this thing.
This is a service to Manchester Airport. The next stop will be Barlow Moor Road.
Now for another, no idea how long of waiting. We be running on the roads. This feels very weird. But it's a tram, so it's anticipated to be running on roads. From what I've heard, this line is painfully long, 40 minutes long. Although it's nowhere near as bad as, say, that 36 train I did yesterday from Manchester to Bolton. That was an hour and 30. So I think we can survive. A lot of street and off-street running. But basically there's a lot of curves on this route. In fact, another one is literally just about to come up. Okay, this was not too bad, but yeah, there's a lot of curves, lots of villages, and generally, very interesting line. Almost with the frequency, so we're gonna make people run for trams, I bet. Back in Central, there's like a tram every like 3-5 minutes or so. They're even stacking. It seems like another 15 minutes into the airport. I'm gonna look around and then see if I can get a Trans-Pennine. Not bad. So now I'm Bench Hill. The tram past the sixth form college and basically filled up. Yeah, it'll probably be empty by what's it called? Withenshaven Town Centre. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Alright, onwards. Withenshaven Town Centre. Oh, yes, I did pronounce it incorrectly.
Manchester Airport. The next stop will be Robinswood Road.
Oh, look at that B-network bus. Regardless, not long now. Whew, and there's a bus station here too. It's very nice. Let's go.
This is a service to Manchester Airport. The next stop will be Manchester Airport.
Finally, one more stop away. One more stop and then we're done. That wasn't actually that long. Compared to like, that boss fight I did yesterday. That wasn't that long. Better than nothing. Let's get to the airport. We're finally approaching the airport, and is that what I think I saw? Oh, that's an 802. What happened to the 397s? Oh well, who cares? We're in a destination. After probably 40 minutes or so. The airport! That's done. That was long. That wasn't actually that bad though. So now I'm gonna go into the airport and go chill. While I wait for an inevitable 397 to arrive. This also allows me to get restocked on stuff like water. Oh, I've got to tap out. Ooh. Not that bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Painful walk. Well, I arrived into Terminal 2. Oh, I have to to walk back to go to Terminals 1 and 3 as well. Blimmin' hell, that's long. And here's the concourse. I've listened to them already, but I'm not going to stay here too long because I have to walk all the way back. Now this section of terminal here is in the middle of being rebuilt, which is fun. So I'm going to go to something a bit more modern. Hope Terminal 1's a bit better. And I have to do this stupid long corridor again.
One eternity later.
This looks nowhere near as nice as Terminal 2. In fact, I'm going to say it looks less nice. Oh my place. I don't really like this terminal that much. Get me to Terminal 3. I hope it's better. Look at departure hall, which is nowhere even near as pleasant. In fact, even worse. This departure hall's even smaller and even more dingy. And empty. Get me out of here. Go to Terminal 3. For Terminal 3, there's no connection bridge. Instead, you have to walk through this little thing here outside on the road. Ugh, fun. Make it worse, there's like 3-4 doors here. And if you want to enter, you have to go all the way down there. Jesus Christ. And here's the Ryanair desk. Basically, if you have a really low budget. Very small. Yeah, I'm just gonna say Terminal 2 is my favourite of the terminals right now. Well, let's go check out British Airways and then I'm gonna return back to the base and back to Manchester Piccadilly. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna say about Terminal 2. Terminal 2 is my favourite of the 3 terminals. So the other 2 terminals feel dingy. It's not like Heathrow where every terminal feels very, very posh and very nice. Although to be fair, Heathrow's the hub of everything UK, so that's a massive different story compared to Manchester. Oh dear. Well, with that done, it's time for me to return to the train station and get out of here.
One eternity later.
So now to get back to Manchester. For this part, I'm gonna take a Trans-Pennine Express. And I'm gonna do it in first class. Because I'm rich like that. But the problem is, this isn't London, so where's the next one? Could even be 15 minutes for all I know. There goes a tram. Not bad if I do say so myself. I'll do it.
If you board a train from this station when ticket buying facilities are available and you can't produce a valid ticket, you may be charged.
Shut up, please. There we go. Right. So now I have to wait for the next Trans-Pennine Express train to turn up, which thankfully should not be that long, unless it's delayed. And I genuinely hope it's not.
May I have your attention?
Oh yes. I've been wanting to ride this train for so f***ing long. At 397 and wait. It has a grey front for some reason. But apart from that, 397 CBT. So any second now, this train should commence boarding. They'll start fucking the train, so we have to wait. And the train's due to leave in 4 minutes, and there's a ton of people waiting for this thing. Everyone's going up to the north. Any second now, the door should open and we'll be able to get on this darn civility thing. Oh. Way! Whoa, nice. Will you pay extra to ride in comfort? But in any case, direct to Manchester Piccadilly now. And we're at a Manchester Piccadilly Airport. Alright, see you back at Piccadilly. I'm gonna enjoy this train ride. Some tea from the operator. Very nice. Already coming to Piccadilly. That was quick. Very quick.
We'll shortly be arriving
Yep,
at
I'm going to get off here.
Manchester Piccadilly.
Oh, that was short.
If you are leaving the train, please
Nice
take a
train,
moment
though.
to check you have everything. Don't forget any bags or cases from luggage racks or under seats, and keep hold of your tickets as you'll need them when leaving this station.
Here's me doing a quick seat review. Genuinely horrible backrest and pretty decent seat itself. Very much. Anyway, at Manchester Piccadilly, this train is about to turn into a ram fest because this is an inner city train going all the way to Glasgow. Very long service. Everyone and their luggage is off to Glasgow in the north. I'm going to a bit of Scotland. Okay, that was a nice ride though. 397, one of my favourite trains on the network. I'm actually good wait for this thing to leave. Here at Manchester Piccadilly, there are literal guards blocking there are literal inspectors blocking the platform. So when every train arrives, you are pretty much inspecting arrival. There's no barriers, it's just stop blocking the barriers. Right. So we're back at Piccadilly. I'm gonna go head up to Ashton-under-Lyre. And with that, we're gonna need the Metrolink.